Understanding braising liquid, a key to delicious cooking. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the culinary world to explore a common cooking term, braising liquid. This phrase might sound complex, but it's actually a simple and essential component in many delicious recipes. So, let's get cooking with language. Before we understand braising liquid, we must know what braising means. Braising is a cooking method that involves two main steps. First, you sear or brown the main ingredient, usually meat, at a high temperature. Then, you slowly cook it in a covered pot at a lower temperature with some liquid. This technique makes the meat tender and flavorful. Now, let's talk about the braising liquid. It is the liquid added to the pot during the slow cooking phase of braising. This liquid can be water, broth, wine, or even a mixture of different liquids. The braising liquid serves several important purposes. 1. Moisture. It prevents the food from drying out. 2. Flavor. It infuses the food with additional flavors. 3. Sauce. After cooking, it can be turned into a sauce to accompany the dish. Selecting the right braising liquid can greatly influence the taste of your dish. Here are some tips. For meat dishes, beef or chicken broth adds richness. Wine gives a sophisticated flavor, suitable for elegant dishes. Vegetable broth or water can be used for a lighter taste or vegetarian recipes. When using braising liquid, avoid these common mistakes. Too much liquid. The liquid should only partially cover the main ingredient, not submerge it. Boiling instead of simmering. The liquid should be kept at a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. And that's a wrap on braising liquid. Remember, this simple component can elevate your cooking to new heights. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Happy cooking and happy learning!